Perfect.
What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and I haven't dropped a video in a while. As you can see, that's my last video right there. So today we have the Jordan 4 Fire Red here. You got the speckle bottom box. You got the Nike here right here in red, white top, red Jumpman, white flight, and we have the Air Jordan 4 Retro, white, fire red, black, tech gray. So I didn't hit on the shock drop. For some reason, I never hit on the shock drop or early releases or whatever. But I did get them. And I also can't hit on the Flex app. I haven't hit on the Flex app since they released it. I don't know what's going on. Let me know if it's just me. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if y'all hit. Because I can't hit on that for nothing. Not no general release, limited release, like nothing. I haven't hit since they changed it to the Flex app. So let me know in the comments if y'all hit on it or what. And the box is pretty sturdy. It's not like the regular flimsy box from like the other fours or the white cement or the black cement or whatever. These are, you can hear it. It's like a hard cardboard. Like it doesn't bend when you hit it. It's real sturdy. You're not gonna really have no damage on this, and you could stack it. The only thing is the cover is not as hard as the bottom part. So if you stack it, the cover is gonna get smashed in or whatever, and the bottom is gonna stay good. So it's just like these. The box is just like the Black Cat 4 box. The same hard, sturdy box. But yeah, so you got the white speckle paper. They removed that black plastic. Then you have another paper underneath. Alright, so we got the Jordan 4 Fire Red. I've been waiting for these for a while. I had the 2012 pair, but I got rid of them because the leather was so stiff and hard on those. But these are a lot better. As you can see, it's a lot softer and nicer, much better to wear. So on the bottom, we got that gray, white, red, and you have that red Nike Air in the middle on the white pad right there. Then on the side, you got that gray, red and black with the white towards the back. Clear air bubble right there. Black tab with that red Nike Air on the back. Same on the medial side. And the leather, like I said, is pretty good. Nice and soft. Hold on. And the creases, like when the leather is real stiff, you're gonna have just like one crease right in the middle right here. But these is pretty soft, so you're gonna have like maybe like a wrinkle. You're not gonna get that one across the middle. You got white laces, white mesh. Then you have that black behind the mesh. You do have that red sock liner with that black insole and the red Nike Air. Behind the tongue, you have Air Jordan. You got a white tab with a black Air Jordan upside down. And on the front of the tongue, you have that patch right there. You have the Jumpman in red and the Flight in black. You got the red lace holders right here, black wing. So yeah, these are pretty nice, man. The heel tab right here, they made this a little bit softer. It's not that stiff. I remember the 2012 and like before that back tab right here wouldn't really bend like that, and it'd be real stiff and like stick the back of your foot. But these are pretty good. I like these. Let me know what y'all think. How y'all feel about these. Did y'all pick them up? Did y'all cop? Did y'all pass? Y'all not feeling these or what? Let me know what y'all think. If y'all gonna grab them. And it did come with the orange old school hang tag on the left pair. So every Black Friday when they have like a big general release, I'm gonna say they have this quality issue with the leather on the toe box. Some of them is wrinkle, nice wrinkle leather, and then some you have smooth leather. But most of them you have one wrinkle, one smooth. You before you buy them, you could go in the store, check them out or whatever. I did get these on the sneaker app. So if you have a chance to go in the store and see them and get them or whatever, I suggest you just look through the box and check to see if you want like a tumble pair or a smooth pair. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for that on foot.